Welcome back, folks. Today, we're unboxing and testing the MUBVIEW Wireless Doorbell Camera. Let's dive right into it. Inside the box, we have the MUBVIEW Doorbell Camera itself, along with some essential accessories. These include the user manual, a mounting bracket, a USB charging cable, and a package containing screws and anchors for installation. Everything you need to get started. Now let's talk about some key features of this doorbell camera. One standout feature is the voice change function. With this, you can disguise your age and gender, making it perfect for the elderly, children, or anyone living alone. This enhances security and privacy. The two-way intercom feature allows you to communicate with couriers or greet visitors in real time. A valuable addition for convenience and safety. The built-in motion sensor alerts you immediately when there's any human movement at your doorstep. You can customize sensitivity levels and motion zones to avoid unnecessary notifications. Now, let's talk about power. The MUBVIEW is battery operated, with a battery life of up to 3 years. This not only keeps things simple, but also results in lower power consumption and quick recharging. The camera is built to withstand the elements, boasting an IP65 waterproof and dust-resistant rating. This ensures that it will perform reliably and keep your home secure. For video storage, you can use the free cloud service with 7-day loop recording. Additionally, there's support for local storage on an SD card with a capacity of up to 128 GB. Installation is quite straightforward. It comes with a mounting bracket and all the necessary hardware, so you can have it set up in no time. When it comes to video quality, the MUBVIEW offers high-definition resolution at 1080p, ensuring a crisp and clear image. With a wide 120-degree viewing angle, it covers most of the area around your front door. Day or night, this camera has you covered. Infrared night vision ensures you won't miss anything, even in complete darkness.